In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the gray clear button on Safari. When the clear button is grayed out, it means that you cannot delete your browsing history or data. This issue can be frustrating, but there are a few simple steps you can take to resolve it. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Screen Time. After that, scroll down again, and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. And then tap Content Restrictions. Enter the screen time passcode. Once you are on this page, you'll see an option called Web Content, which is set to allowed websites. Just tap on it. To fix the grayed out clear button, simply tap and select the unrestricted option. Now if I go back to the main settings page and scroll down and tap Safari and scroll down again, and as you can see now, I can clear my history and website data, which is no longer grayed out. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.